Okay, so we just said that a byte is a group of 8 bits. So here are 8 bits. This is a 0, 1, this is 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 0, 1. They can each be either 0, 1, so they're bits. And there's 8 of them. The whole thing, the group of 8, is called a byte. So a byte equals 8 bits is a common unit for measuring computer memory. So if we want to say how big is the memory, we can say how many bytes there are in the memory. Other common byte-based units are shown at the right. So we can talk about a kilobyte means 1,000 bytes. We can say a megabyte, a gigabyte. So your computer might have, in memory, you might have 12 or 8 or 4 or 2 gigabytes of memory. So that means what? A giga means 10 to the 9th. So you have 10 to the 9th bytes, which means 8 times that number of bits. So 8 times 10 to the 9th bits, or 10 to the 9th bytes. Okay? So if you wanted to, by the way, if you want to write 10 to the 9th as binary, it's going to be equal to 2 to the 30th. So if you want to say, well, it's 10 to the 9th, that's expressed as a, where 10 is the base, but you could say, well, what's that equal to when 2 is the base? And that's equal to 2 to the 30th. Okay, so we have petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, and down here you can't see this says yottabyte. Okay? Okay, now let's talk about visual. So that's a measure of storage. Okay, and we talked about bits and bytes. Okay, now let's go on to here. Visual basic data types. So we've already talked about a few of them, and basically this one, integer type, and double type, and I think we also talked about string type. And we even mentioned object somewhere along the line. And we did talk about dates, but we really didn't cover date types. Okay, so let's take a look at this in the next video.